of the Rome city, and then we were having another tour with professor, and we have seen historical places and all architectural monuments which were of great pleasure, and it was having an immense history behind it.
Okay. What's your impression about University of Rome?
Rome University indeed is a very good, and they are taking care of not their own progress but the progress of the developing countries.
Would you suggest to come to Italy, to Roma 3, to your colleague,
Yes,
Professor of Islamabad?
Yes, this is a good question, and I believe this is my wish, and I believe to bring these two countries together. Best forum is to use the students and the professors. They shall have a linkage. Though we do have a cultural pact, but it shall be extended to the universities vigorously.
And do you know if the Pakistani community is quite big in Rome or in Italy?
This is what when I had a visit yesterday to the Greek school, I was tempted, why don't we have our Pakistani school here in Rome, which is one of the biggest capital, and it has its own history. They could learn a lot about the civilization, and side by side Roman students and Roman professors, they could interact with us, and they will know about Pakistan.
Yes.
As I introduce Pakistan to best of my knowledge, and bringing them all those four provinces, introduce them the tribal belt and every part of my country, and this was my humble submission and my humble effort to talk to my fellow Roman students and professors of the Rome University. Indeed, I enjoyed delivering my national duty to them.
So do you think that Pakistani embassy, Pakistani government could put in their agenda this kind of topic, which is improving education relationship between the two countries?
Yes, when I was leaving Islamabad for Rome for the first time, my Director General Brigadier retired Maqsoodul Hassan was happy to extend his invitation for the students of Rome, as well as for my colleagues who are working here. And I suggest strongly that we shall have to have some forum where these two cultures and these two countries could come nearer in the future.
Okay. You mentioned the Greek school. How was your impression this bilingual education?
I hope everybody was doing their duty very well, and they were also, imparting the education of both the countries. Like Greece curriculum was there, and side by side they were equally good learning Italian things through Italian curricula. And I believe they are the future bridges between the two countries.